When you look at AI is kind of the next step in the evolution of automation. The major step here is though, in the past, when we built things, they were very deterministic, right? We would build a robot to basically do some repetitive function. In a networking space, we built scripts, right? We wrote these scripts that would basically configure something or do something, and it did the same thing every day and night. The major disruption with AI is right now we're basically doing automation that is really starting to automate cognitive reasoning, right? We're starting to build solutions that can do things on par with humans. And an example of this is in the networking space. We're now building solutions. We're building these large experience models, very similar to large language models. Where we're now training very large models with billions of video collaboration data points that can predict someone's user experience, Zoom, Teams user experience, right? And so once you can actually predict that, this is where what I call the canary in the coal mine. These very large models now are helping IT teams solve problems. Like one of our customers, they had a problem out in one of their sites in India. They couldn't figure it out, right? Basically, they were getting complaints about their Zoom calls. Once we had this large experience model built, what we quickly were able to deduce was basically it was a misconfigured VPN gateway. They were basically for certain users, they were routing packets from India to Australia, adding latency and jitter that was screwing up the Zoom experience. That's an example where AI and these large models are doing the same thing a human could do, but it would take a human months to go sort through all the data to get that correlation. That is where these large models are starting to really disrupt in the networking space.